In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a gift card, voucher, or promo code during checkout to make the most of your savings. Whether you've received a thoughtful gift card from a friend or snagged a promo code online, it's always satisfying to enjoy a little extra discount or to effectively use the balance towards your purchase. Let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. Imagine you're at the checkout page about to complete your purchase, and you remember you have a gift card. First, you're going to need to locate the option that says Use a gift card, voucher, or promo code. This will usually be near your payment details, but it can vary slightly depending on the platform or retailer you're using. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on it. What this does is open up a section dedicated to redeeming these codes. Here, you'll see all the available payment methods displayed for your account. And crucially, it will include a space where you can enter your claim code. Now, this claim code is typically found on the back of your gift card or in the email if you received a digital version. It's usually a combination of letters and numbers, so make sure you enter it correctly to avoid any errors. After typing in the claim code, take a moment to double-check that it's entered exactly as shown. Watch out for similar-looking characters like zeros and the letter O or ones and the letter I. Once you're confident everything is spot on, the next crucial step is to select Apply. This action is what actually adds the balance of your gift card or applies the promo code to your account. When you hit Apply, you should notice a confirmation message indicating that your gift card balance or promo code has been successfully applied. If it doesn't go through immediately, don't worry. Sometimes there might be a system delay. You can refresh the page or try again. If it's successful, your total should be updated automatically to reflect the newly applied balance or discount. Now, before you proceed with placing your order, take a quick look at your updated total to ensure everything looks right and you've received your entitled savings. This method not only helps in managing your budget by utilizing available credits efficiently, but also elevates your shopping experience, making it both rewarding and savvy. Remember, check your emails or messages regularly for those discount codes. It's amazing what savings you might come across when you least expect them. By following these simple steps, you're all set to save some money and enjoy your purchase even more. So go ahead, hit that place order button and enjoy your shopping while making the most of your gift cards and promo codes. Happy shopping!